The 7 learning mistakes keeping you stuck and how to escape. What if I told you that the reason you're struggling to learn isn't because you're not smart enough, but because you're making 7 sneaky mistakes that are sabotaging your brain's natural learning superpowers? Today, we're going to bust these learning myths wide open and turn you into an unstoppable learning machine. Mistake 1. The highlighter trap. Stop drowning your textbooks in neon yellow. Highlighting feels productive, but it's just fancy procrastination. Instead, try the magic of active recall, close that book, and quiz yourself out loud. Your brain will thank you with actual understanding instead of pretty rainbow pages. Mistake 2. The cramming catastrophe. All-nighters might make you feel like a study warrior, but your brain needs time to marinate information. Embrace spaced repetition. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute dance break, then come back tomorrow. It's like giving your neurons time to throw a proper learning party. Mistake 3. The comfort zone coma. If learning feels too easy, you're probably not learning at all. Seek out that sweet spot of productive struggle. Make mistakes, get confused, then push through. That's where the real brain magic happens. Mistake 4. The multitasking mayhem. Your brain isn't a computer with multiple tabs. When you study while scrolling Instagram, you're basically trying to have 2 conversations at once. Give your full attention to one thing and watch your learning speed skyrocket. Mistake 5. The passive reading trap. Reading the same paragraph 5 times won't make it stick better. Get aggressive with your learning. Ask questions, make connections, argue with the author in your head. Turn reading into a full contact sport. Mistake 6. The perfect notes obsession. Stop spending 3 hours making Pinterest-worthy notes and start spending time actually using them. Messy notes that you review beat beautiful notes that collect dust. Mistake 7. The solo study struggle. Learning doesn't have to be a lonely journey. Find study buddies, join online communities, or teach your dog what you learned today. Explaining concepts to others is like steroids for your understanding. So, are you ready to transform from a stuck student into a learning machine? Pick one mistake, fix it this week, and watch your brain come alive with the joy of actually understanding things. Your future self will be amazed at what you can accomplish.